Now let's talk about instances. You can launch different type of instances from a single AMI. An instance type essentially determines the hardware of the host computer used for your instance. Each instance type offers a different compute and memory capabilities. Select an instance type based on the amount of memory and computer power that you need for the application or software that you plan to run on instance. After you launch an instance, it looks like traditional host and you can interact with it as any computer. So you have a complete control of your instance. You can use sudo to run commands that require root privileges. Your AWS account has a limit on the number of instances that you can have running. So I can show you practically how the instance looks like. So you can see here Amazon Management Console. So you can see here the service Elastic Compute Cloud. So click on EC2. So you can see here Launch Instance button to create a new instance. So click on that. Here you can find different AMI which are provided by the Amazon. So you can select the AMI depends on your need and requirement. Like Linux, Windows, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Windows 2016, Windows 2012. And you can select from marketplace also. AWS has a marketplace. So you can see here features, software. So by default the software will come with Splunk installation. So you have to click that and the instance will come with by default software. So there are many products. You can select the community AMI also. If you want to select Amazon Linux, CentOS. So for now I am selecting Amazon Linux, which is free tier eligible. And here you can specify instance type. For example, T2 micro, T2 small. They have varying combination of CPU, memory, storage, network capacity, and they give you flexibility to choose the appropriate mix of resource for your application. This is nothing but instance type.